Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest car dent repair machine spot welding gun accessory. Item number 1. 86 pc/set dent repair puller kit car body dent spot repair removal device welder stud mini welding machine pulling hammer tool. Item number 2. Spot welding gun car dent repair machine accessory brass chuck spotter studder welder pistol with 3 extra trigger parts. Item number 3. Pro spot welding gun car dent repair machine accessory brass chuck spotter studder welder pistol with 3 extra trigger parts. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.